The day of resurrection has spread the news abroad. The Paschal feast of gladness, the Paschal feast of God. From death to life eternal, from earth to heaven's height, our Saviour Christ has brought us, the glorious Lord of light. Our hearts be free from evil, that we may see aright the Saviour resurrected in his eternal light, and hear his message plainly delivered, calm and clear. Rejoice with me in triumph, be glad and do not fear. Now let the heavens be joyful and earth her song begin. The whole world keep high triumph and all that is therein. Let all things in creation their notes of gladness blend, for Christ the Lord is risen, our joy that has no end.